Today's video feature is what are some of the most common questions we receive in workers' compensation cases? Well, in terms of chronology, when folks first come in, their immediate concern is how are we going to get medical treatment and how are we going to pay our bills? Well, medical treatment is usually, depending on the accident, an automatic function. For example, if you are seriously injured, then you are usually transported by ambulance, sometimes even by helicopter, to a trauma center, and you were treated for your injuries. You may spend days or even weeks sometimes in the hospital. But once you get out, medical treatment is then coordinated through the insurance carrier, or oftentimes in serious accident cases, you'll have a nurse case manager be assigned to your case who will help with the scheduling and getting approval for medical treatment, whether it's an MRI or a CAT scan or physical therapy. The nurse case manager can get involved and help move that process along expeditiously, which is always helpful in helping you get back on your feet and heal from your injuries. As far as who is going to pay for your medical bills, again, it depends on the type of case. In a lot of circumstances, there's no question about whether a claim is going to be accepted or not, and so we will go ahead and get the weekly checks started. In other cases, the carrier may want to take a recorded statement as they are conducting an investigation into your case, and a lot of lawyers differ on whether or not to cooperate in that process. I fall on the side of absolutely go ahead and make the client available for a recorded statement, because that is going to allow the carrier to complete their investigation and hopefully start your benefits. If you refuse to allow a client to give a recorded statement, or if you refuse to give a recorded statement, that's simply going to stop the investigation and stop your case. And the only remedy at that point is to request a hearing, which will take a number of months, even before COVID came along. So we get the recorded statement completed, the carrier gets to complete their investigation, they may meet with witnesses, talk with witnesses, and once they decide if they're going to accept or deny your case, then we will know what to do. But always try to reach an agreement if we can, especially in the early stages on the acceptance of the claim, because otherwise you are simply stuck without being able to work, without being able to get medical treatment, and without the ability to pay your bills. Hope it helps.